I was learning English, always I used to try that I could speak, that I could make so many sentences in my daily routinable life. And I think you won't believe, really it helped me lot. So actually, to become a English speaking person and to learn this accent, first of all you have to practice. So if you want to learn English, so always remember that you will have to practice, because you cannot learn and not only English anything until you practice is more important to get to learn anything. Okay, so actually I'm not suggesting to you you have to learn all those grammatical things which are given in your books. You have to learn some important concept of grammar, such as like all kind of tense. And the second one is, first you have to learn how tense is used, present, past and future. If you are going to learn English, so I think your tense structure should be absolutely clear. Okay, the first one. And the second one, you have to learn all conditional sentence. And really, this is a very simple, not very horrible, not very difficult. Definitely you can easily learn if you practice. So definitely you would be able to learn. Okay, so don't worry about them. The third one is passive voice. Passive voice is really very important, and passive voice sentence are really very used during an English conversation. And definitely whenever you read newspaper, whenever you listen English news, so definitely you might have observed so many times. So native speaker really use not native speaker, even all those English news anchor and so many celebrities use passive voice sentence. So you have to learn passive voice sentence. And the third one, first is what I told you. First one is tense structure, all kind of tense. The second one is conditional sentence. The third one is active and passive voice. And the fourth one is, that is my really very favorite, and really this is a very good concept of English, that is modals. So first you have to learn how to use modal sentence in your conversation. So guys, if you don't know how English is spoken, if you don't know how to speak English, so don't worry, start practice from today. So no matter, actually don't think how many mistakes are you making. Definitely you would make so many mistakes when you will start to speak English. But actually, if you would it with consistently for the daily life, so definitely very soon you would be able to speak English, and definitely you would be able to talk in English with anyone, someone, anyone, at anywhere. So definitely English is not only English, everything is learnable in this world. Everything can be learned only for practice. Practice is a very important platform. And when it comes to speak English, why we get stuck, because we don't know how to recall immediately sentence. And I think this is the biggest barrier of speaking English. So I think, according to me, that I would highly suggest to you, you should practice daily in your daily life, and start talk in English with everyone. Not everyone, your friends, your family members, kids, because this is a very important concept of English. And don't worry, also I have created my YouTube channel that you are watching in this time. So I think I'm going to give you a very important tool, definitely that will help you to get an English accent. So don't worry, and try. And my good wishes with you. Definitely very soon you would be able to speak English. So till then, keep enjoy and keep practicing. Bye bye. And now we will meet in again video. So till then, keep a very sweet time, have sweet one, and bye bye.